Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today we are gonna see what I bring in my travel, and you can see already this is my new backpack. It's from PGI Tech and it is called the One Go backpack. You can see already my unboxing video of this backpack right there, I guess. So if you want to check it out, just click the link right here. And we're gonna see what's inside and what I bring in my travels. So let's start with the bottle of water that's on the side right here. It has the fast access on this big pocket on the side. And of course, I have another pocket of the same size on the other side. And here I have usually another bottle like this because, I mean, it's always good to bring a lot of water when you go around by walk. That being said, we can open our backpack by this fast access right here. So you just pull this and you have your backpack open. And on this pouch right here, I have my big headphone. So I have the Logitech headphones that has their personal bag. With these headphones, I don't have any delay when I'm editing videos. Then here I have also this phone attachment for tripods, but I don't have any tripods in this travel right here, but I bring it here anyway, just in case. Then right here on this magnetic pocket, I have another pair of headphones. These are wireless. These are from Xiaomi, the classic wireless headphones. Then we have a power bank. It's a small one, but it is just in case. And then we have some face masks right here, just for safety, we can say. Then on this pouch right here, I don't have anything right now, but I usually store my wallet right here when I don't want to bring it in my own pocket of my pants. And then for this part right here, it is pretty much it. And then you can open this backpack very easily by doing this on the sides, and you can find pretty much anything inside. I have my two cameras right here. This is an instant camera from Instax. This is the Instax Mini 9, just for some Insta photos. They are always cool. Then I have my main camera. I use my GH5S and it is kinda heavy right now. So usually in the latest time, I use always my phone instead of this, but it is always good to bring one big camera around. Then right here, I have another space to bring other cameras if I want to, because it's big enough to bring other cameras or any stuff like that. Or maybe it is made for a drone if you have a DJI Mini 2 like I have, but I didn't bring it here. I have it at home because I didn't need it here in Lisbon, because we are in Lisbon right now. This is made for the Mini 2, so you can bring the remote control and also the drone like this. So it's very useful, but you can put whatever you want inside this. You can open all the way this backpack by pulling these straps right here. Like this, you have it fully opened. And here you have some pockets where I have some ND filter for my camera, some microfiber to clean my camera. Then right here, I have some batteries for another camera and some pens to write something, you never know. Then on the other side, another big pocket. It is pretty much the same one as the other one. And I have here some charger. I have some Insta photos right here. And then that's pretty much it. Then on this side of the backpack, there are also two more pockets. And right here on this top pocket right here, I have some adapters and some USB. And on this other pocket down below, that's kind of hidden right here, I have pretty much all the cables that I need, because I have USB-C, USB mini, USB micro, pretty much any cable that you needed, and some tissues that are always useful. And that's pretty much it, I think. But we have one more pocket to show, and it's on the back of our backpack. Now it's fully open, so don't mind that, but you can open it by pulling this right here, and you pull out this one and you can find the laptop. So I have my MacBook Pro right here, but for this travel, I have also another laptop right there, and it is a 15 inches laptop. So you can bring in this backpack two laptops, and one is from 14 inches and the other one is from 15 inches. And you can stuff both of these laptops inside this pocket right here. You can see that it is divided by this. You can just pull it and just pull out your laptops. It is very, very useful, and actually it is very comfortable to bring around this backpack. It is a little bit heavy with all the stuff inside, but I mean, if you need it, you need it. So for this video, that's pretty much it. I think I've shown you pretty much anything that I bring in my backpack. I have some other stuff, maybe some other charger, so the laptop charger, or maybe some clothes like a sweater that I can put inside this backpack, because it is very, very big actually. So you can bring pretty much anything inside of it. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, just leave a like down below. And also, if you want to know anything about my travel, my backpack, or anything that you have seen on this video, just let me know it down below in the comments. Just type a comment and I will be happy to answer you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just subscribe right now, because I mean, it's free and you can do it right now. If you see the big red button down below, just click it, it's free. And for this video, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.